Did you know that the H1 Hummer, a vehicle synonymous with strength and resilience, was never designed to be a luxury vehicle or a status symbol? Quite the contrary. Its roots are steeped in the grit and grime of the battlefield, conceived to be a reliable, sturdy, and versatile military vehicle. Its original purpose was to transport troops and cargo, and it performed its duty with aplomb. Dubbed the High Mobility Multi-Purpose Wheeled Vehicle, or HMMWV by the military, it was first introduced in the early 80s. The Pentagon sought a vehicle that could navigate diverse terrains and withstand harsh conditions. The H1 Hummer fit the bill perfectly. With its high ground clearance, low center of gravity, and powerful engine, it proved to be an invaluable asset in both desert and mountainous terrains. Fast forward to the early 90s when AM General, the company behind the H1 Hummer, decided to release a civilian version of this military workhorse. The public version, while maintaining the rugged appeal of its military sibling, offered more creature comforts. It came equipped with air conditioning, a sound system, and plush seats, transforming it from a purely functional vehicle into a symbol of opulence and power. But here's the interesting part. Despite these additions, the base of the civilian model remained virtually identical to its military counterpart. It retained the same chassis, the same wide track, and the same high ground clearance. The civilian H1 Hummer, in essence, was a military vehicle dressed up for a night on the town. Over the years, the military version of the H1 Hummer has seen numerous updates and improvements. It has been equipped with armor plating, advanced communication systems, and enhanced off-road capabilities. It has served in various roles, from troop transport to ambulance, proving its versatility time and again. However, in the mid-2000s, production of the civilian H1 Hummer came to a halt. The reasons were many, from its gas-guzzling nature to its sheer size, which made it impractical for city driving. Despite its discontinuation, the H1 Hummer remains a coveted vehicle, a symbol of rugged individualism and power. Today, the H1 Hummer continues to serve in the military, its versatility and reliability still unmatched. While the civilian version may no longer be in production, its legacy lives on in the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. So, as we look to the future, we are left to ponder what lies in store for the H1 Hummer. Will it continue to serve in the military, or will it find a new life in a different form? Only time will tell.